do some more examples. Take a look at, let's go ahead and assign oxidation numbers to any atom in the following. So the first example we'll look at is bromine. Okay, so now since that's a diatomic molecule, it's a single atom in a molecule and it's only one type, therefore the oxidation number in this case is going to be 0. Okay, and you always write oxidation numbers on the as a superscript to the right of the molecule. Here's another one. What about Cr6+? Well, the oxidation number of this is actually +6. I should probably use red. Keep it symmetrical. +6. Okay. Next one. Oxidation number of the atoms in this molecule. Now, iron is a metal. Okay. So therefore, we need to understand what kind of charge it has. Okay. And before we can do that, let's go ahead and pull oxygen from the table, from the rules we mentioned. So that's going to be -2, right? Okay, so let's assume iron is X. Okay, so then the way we set this up is we do 2X, because there's 2 irons, plus 3 times -2 is equal to 0. So 2X minus 6 is equal to 0. 2X is equal to 6, so X is equal to +3. So the oxidation state, or the oxidation number of iron in this compound, is +3. Here's another one. CHCl3. Okay, so carbon's the one that we have no clue about. So let's go ahead and assign hydrogen from the table, from the rules we discussed, and then chlorine. So each chlorine is -1 and each hydrogen is +1. Okay, so setting this up as an equation, oops, sorry, call that X. Setting this up as an equation in X, we have X plus 1 plus 3 times -1 is equal to 0. So, or X plus 1 minus 3 is equal to 0, or X minus 2 is equal to 0, so X is equal to 2. So therefore, to be precise, that's a +2. Okay, so the oxidation state of carbon is +2. Okay, here's another one. This one is a polyatomic ion, SO4 2 minus. Okay, so oxygen is -2. We don't know sulfur. So now remember, this time when we set the equation in X, then the equation will be equal to -2. Okay, because it equals the charge on the species. So let's assume sulfur is X, and we're going to solve for X. So X plus 4 times -2 is equal to -2. So that's 4 times -2, the oxidation number of oxygen, and that is plus the X, and that whole thing is equal to -2. Okay, so X minus 8 is equal to -2. X is equal to plus 8 minus 2, which is equal to +6. Okay, so there you have it. That's the oxidation number of sulfur. And let's do one more. So let's say we have H2O2. Hydrogen comes above oxygen in the table we highlighted. So that's +1, and let's call oxygen X. So that's going to be, if we set this up as an equation in X, that's going to be 2 times +1 plus 2 times X is equal to 0. So 2 plus 2X is equal to 0, or 2X is equal to -2, or X is equal to -1. So oxygen is -1 in this case.